If you are anything like me, you love baskets. My husband doesn't think I need any more. Well, here are 16 ways I use them around the house. How about when you first come in the door, a place to toss your keys and your sunglasses? Since our laundry room is upstairs, I keep this basket down at the bottom of the steps to put the hand towels, dish towels, and random laundry items that accumulate downstairs. The basket handle isn't in the best shape, but we'll just turn it to the corner. Looks good to me. This large trapping basket placed next to the door is a great place to stash some umbrellas. And right next to the door is this little basket where we have dog whistles. Cords can definitely get out of hand. Just stick them in a basket. The puppies even have their own special basket for their toys and bones. Good girl. Here in the kitchen, on top of the refrigerator, I keep a picnic basket and use it as a bread box. In a previous video, I used some plate in a basket for staging, and the basket was really long and it didn't fit in this corner, but this circular basket with these plates in it just fits perfectly. I just love this look so much. Here I have some random drink mixes and other little snacks just kind of stuffed in a basket. Out of sight, out of mind. In our room, I keep this basket on top of a dresser so my husband has a place to toss all of his pocket things. Keeps it from skittering all over the place. What even is some of that stuff? I like to put blankets in this basket that's elevated up on a plant stand. I believe I saw that in Ginger Chicory. Here in my daughter's room, just a basket for all of her randomness. A small basket with a liner makes a great trash can. In the actual laundry room, here's a place to put all those single socks. A small wall basket in our bathroom is working well to hold our hand towel. The last one is probably my favorite, as my husband has even said he's never seen anything like it and that it's working well to hold our toilet paper.